All right, now we're going to take our two-story structure and we're going to put a set of stairs in it. All right, we're going to start with level 1. That's where we're going to place the stairs. That's where the stairs start. Okay, so you got to be in level 1 to start your stairs, or at least to do it accurately. I'm going to click on the stair tool. You do not have to click on anything else. It's already set the way you need it. It's set for run and it's set to have railings. You don't want to click on anything else. All right. Another thing we have to check, and you always have to check this when you're doing stairs. Over here, base level, level 1, that is correct. That's where we want that. Top level is top of wall 1. That is incorrect. What Revit does is it defaults to the next highest level from level 1. But we know we want our stairs to come out on level 2 because that's where the floor is for level 2. Okay? So coming out on level 2, and it'll say here desired number 20. So you should have 20 steps. Okay? Now when you draw stairs, whether you're drawing straight stairs, angled stairs, or whatever, you have to draw out all the steps that Revit has recommended for you, which is right here. So I have to do all 20 of them. I can't just draw it to the distance I want because then it won't come up to the proper level. Everything is calculated out. All the treads, the risers, and everything is already calculated to where they're within code, and you have to run it all the way out, or you're going to be missing some steps. Okay? And this is actually right here. So that's your actual riser height right there, and then your actual tread height is 11 inches. Okay? So if I'm drawing a straight set of stairs, I'm going to click right here and I'm going to draw, and I'm just going to keep drawing them until I run out of steps. I have to. Okay? And you can pull your cursor way over here. It's not going to do anything. It's just going to draw that many stairs, or that many steps, 20. Okay, now I can't stop here and expect it to go up to the level that I want it to go up to. And you can see in this little ghosted part down here, well, I can't really circle it, but it says how many risers I have created and how many are remaining. Now this particular step that we're going to do is called a switchback, or actually a lot of people will refer to it as a U-type, U-shaped or something like that. But I've always called it a switchback. I guess that comes from, just being in Texas for so long or something. But ever since I've been working in construction, it's been a switchback. Okay, so I'm going to draw out half of them. So I've got 20. I'm going to draw out 10 risers. Click, and then I'm going to come over here and give myself enough space so that it has room to draw the stairs. And then I'm going to draw out the other 10, just like so. The platform here, this is your, I'm trying to think of the name of it. This is your, well, it's actually up here somewhere, I believe. Landing. There it is. It's your landing. That's where you walk up this part of the stairs, you land right here halfway between, and then you walk up this part. Okay? Or you walk down and you land here and you continue walking down. But it's called a landing. And that landing is basically gives us that flat surface that we're going to walk on so we can get to this part of the stairs right here. Okay, now after we do that, we can hit this green check mark and say, okay, I'm done drawing stairs. All right, now go back to your 3D view. And if you look here, there's your stairs. They're sticking up through the floor, but there's no hole there. We got to fix that. Okay. So how do I fix it is I'm going to put a shaft in the floor so we can access the stairs. So I'm going to go to level 2 this time. I want to do the shaft from level 2. I also want to take my level 2 and I'm going to click on the visual style and change it to wireframe so I can actually see all of my stairs. And let's see, I'm going to go to the shaft tool, which is over here. It's in the opening panel of the architecture tab. Shaft right there. And I'm just going to trace around here, around the stair, around the back side of the stair, right over here. And because this is a 10-foot ceiling, I need to come to about the 4th or 5th stair. Okay, come to about the 4th or 5th stair, or right between the two, and draw across this way. Actually, I want to continue drawing up to here. Okay, then to here, and then to here. Okay, the reason I have to draw back to this place right here is because when you're walking up the stairs, of course, you're going to be getting higher and higher as you step. And you're going to be getting closer and closer to the ceiling. You still have to maintain 6 foot 8 inches between that step and the ceiling. And that's your headspace. Okay, got to have that. Click on the green check mark when you're done. And now we're going to go back to 3D view. I've got to make a couple of adjustments. Now the shaft does not go all the way through the ceiling. So I got to click on this grip and just pull it down a little bit more. That way it goes all the way through the ceiling. Okay, now the top part right here, I got to pull that down. If not, it's going to put a hole in my roof. Pull it down to just above the stairs and you should be good. All right, and click off of it, and now you can twist it around. You can see that you have a shaft. Okay, so now we can access our stairs. We can get up and down. Now, going back to level 1, okay, well actually I'm going to save this for the next video. So that's how you draw the stairs. That's how you put the stairs in place and draw a section view. I mean, not a section view, in the shaft, draw a shaft. Okay, so I'm done with that. Now next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come back and I'm going to do a section detail on my stairs, because you have to detail your stairs. If you got stairs, you got to detail them. Okay, so stay tuned for the next video.